In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as unread in Yahoo Mail. This is a simple way to keep your inbox organized and make sure messages you've already opened don't get lost. Marking an email as unread is perfect when you want to come back to it later, treat it like a reminder, or make sure it stands out the next time you check your messages. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to yahoo.com. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site by checking the address bar, especially if you're accessing it from a bookmark or a search result. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. Enter your account credentials carefully. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt as usual. If you've forgotten your details, use the recovery options on the sign-in page. For privacy, avoid signing in on public computers unless absolutely necessary. After you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right. This takes you into Yahoo Mail. If you don't land in the inbox by default, select Inbox from the left-hand sidebar to view your main messages. Now, to mark something as unread, first find an email that you've already opened and want to come back to later. Hover over the message and look for the small checkbox next to it. Click that checkbox to select the message. You can select more than one message if you want to mark multiple emails as unread at the same time. Selecting is key because it tells Yahoo Mail which messages you want to act on. With the message selected, look toward the top of your inbox for the row of action buttons. Click the three dots, often labeled More Options. This opens a small menu with additional actions. From that menu, click Mark as unread. The email will immediately switch back to unread status, usually appearing in bold, and your unread count will update accordingly. This visual change is a handy way to signal that the message still needs your attention. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can press the K key to mark the selected message as unread. This shortcut can speed things up when you're processing a lot of emails. Make sure a message is selected first so the shortcut applies to the right item. And that's it. Go to Yahoo, sign in, open Mail, select the message, use the three dots, and choose Mark as unread or press K. Repeat these same steps anytime you want to resurface important emails and keep your inbox under control.